Greetings everyone. How are you today on a Thursday? Hopefully you are still good, fresh and active. I'm just here to say thank you so much to my brother Wewundlu Production. This guy is from Olundi, Emakhosini. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Angazi ngizothini. A few years back he approached me athi ngimregister company iWundlu. That's what I've done. On my birthday on the 8th of June, he traveled all the way with his crew to Johannesburg to honor my birthday. Wafika ne instrument yakhe, he was my DJ. Wafika nama camera wakhe, amanye andiza njengama aeroplane angazi ke so kwenzakalani. He was my cameraman, wayenza into yakhe. So today I just received this, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. It's an album. Look at this, guys. Just look at this, how blessed I am. We call it a blessing in memory. Just look at this. What a memory. I'm so way blessed. Funa ukunikombisa imisebenzi kaJehova. When you give, uyabuya uNkulunkulu azothi when you are given back. I don't know what to say, guys. I really don't know what to say. What a memory. What a memory. It's my album. Iningi ngaze ngimoshe, iningi guys, kuningi. Inkulu into. I'm so way grateful. But when you give, uNkulunkulu uyakubuyisela one day. Ngiyabonga bhuti wami, ngiyabonga Sithole. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. All the way from Olundi, Emakhosini. Now Emakhosini umncinyane. So if you need a camera or system or umshado or memulo or whatever, let's support each other. Baye bathi abantu abamnyama bayamosha. This one is doing wonders. So we are traveling all the way. He traveled from Ulundi KZN to Johannesburg. Look at his work. Ungithumelele ke ne USB yonke into. It's memory for my kids, for my future generation. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mkhulu. May God bless you.